Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I still think we're either in a running flat. If it is a running flat, then I would target this 100% area, right around the 1.145 area. If it's an expanding flat, I would target around the 161% Fibonacci extension, which puts me all the way down to about the 1.12 area. So either way, I am definitely very, very bearish on this pair for now. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely making it a impulsive move up this morning. So what I would do is, though, my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down, I personally am definitely looking at anything I see counter trend, anything I see to the upside is very, very likely just a pullback within a downtrend. So pay very, very, very close attention to your fib levels. If it makes any kind of a three-way pullback to any one of those fib levels and then makes an aggressive turn to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a short. The daily time frame definitely makes us think that this is potentially going to go down again. Doesn't mean that it may not go up to one of these higher fib levels first, but I do think that anything we see to the upside, as long as it doesn't break structure, is just a pullback within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.